Hi, this is Carol at True Self Unmasked, and welcome. This is a video about the winter solstice, what to know about it, and what it means for you and what it means for the world. So let's get started. I have 11 or 12 things to bring up. So let's start. Number one, this winter solstice is in the sign of Capricorn. It's happening on December 21st. It is the longest night of the year and the shortest day of the year. It sets the energetic stage, the background for the next 3 months, and it's an invitation for change. As you probably know, ancient cultures had ceremonies during solstices, so this is an important time of the year because these are times of heightened psychic sensitivity and spiritual alignment. And the reason is because the veils between the dimensions are thinner. And that happens many times during the year. So it's a great time to keep your thoughts as positive as possible and focus on solutions, not problems, when the veils are thinning. Number two, this is a Capricorn solstice because the sun is entering Capricorn, and it's emphasizing themes of long-term planning, discipline, and mastery. Capricorn is a work number, so we will be working and building. This energy encourages building sustainable foundations, not something flimsy. We will be building things for the long term, new things that will carry us into this new age that we're going into. Number three, the position of the sun in relationship to the North Node, where we're moving towards. The North Node represents what we're moving towards, what we're aiming for. So the distance between the sun, the North Node, what we're aiming for, and the South Node, which is what we're moving away from, is called a T-square. And the North Node is currently in Aries, and it's asked us to be true to yourself. Be authentic, be courageous, while the South Node in Libra warns us against people-pleasing, masking ourselves to get along, going along to get along. This is a time to just be you. That's what the energies are encouraging us to do. Number four, Manway represents the highest intelligence of the universe. And it aligns with the North Node, which is always pointing us to what we're aiming for. It's pointing us to new beginnings along with the North Node, especially becoming the higher version of ourselves. This is the time to become the highest version of ourselves and allow that to trump, to overshadow the lower version of ourselves. Even if we revert back to the shadow self sometimes, let us allow the higher version of ourselves to be dominant, to be the more frequent expression of ourselves. Number five, with Pluto at 0 degrees in Aquarius, we will feel the Pluto and Aquarius themes at a heightened level of freedom, innovation, reconnecting with our galactic heritage. Do you know your star seed? And human rights. Number six, the position of Jupiter, Saturn, and the moon has us also focused on health, seeking clarity and deeper understanding to avoid misinformation. So keep your discernment up. Number seven, the balanced trine between Jupiter, Venus, and Chariklo helps us desire to have more compassion, love, and inner peace and steadiness during these transformative times. These are transformative times, so we have to have tools to help us move through it, to be love, to be peace, to be compassion, and to hold fast to that, to develop those inner skills, to be grounded as the times transform. Number eight, Mars and Pluto are in opposition, and they're encouraging us to move from aggression to constructive action. Number nine, the solstice is setting the stage for an expansive 2025. 2025 is a year of metamorphosis, and I will talk more about 2025 in detail in a separate video. But this solstice is setting the stage. It's the prerequisite. It's leading us into this year of great metamorphosis for all of us. Number 10, this solstice reminds us of the power of consciousness, using our consciousness to create our futures. By choosing love, gratitude, joy, and compassion, we naturally align with our higher frequencies to create more harmonious and enlightened lives. We have our futures at stake now with our frequencies, with how we are thinking and feeling. It's time to take control over that. Number 11, solstice meditation. The day before the solstice is December 21st. The day before is the 20th. It's a great time. It's a powerful time for meditation as the earth energy lines come into harmony. So it's a great time to reflect, release, and set new intentions the day before the solstice. If you don't get a chance to do it before the solstice, you still have 3 to 5 days after the solstice to do it. Number 12, my next video will be a meditation that can be used anytime, but it will be especially helpful during the solstice. So watch out for that tomorrow, the day before the solstice. So that's it. Look out for my meditation tomorrow. I will do my best to do it on camera. If you want 100 ways to silence your negative self-talk, inner critic, go to the link in the description. I'm here every day. I post every day. Welcome today and welcome back. This is Carol at True Self Unmasked, and thank you very much for coming. Bye.